MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Kesehatan Community and Rural Development Bor Assam Sohtun ulong bakalong ke Donkam Iatreilang bandon kejing terlang dan kejelam Meghalaya Bor Assam banweng nia kejing jong kejing jebok kal hagi tain pernihat hari boy diswing habakran sikilat thai kubor Bor Assam Sohtun ulai tu banang kapor sikapor ulaju penpau ke kejing sukya halong kejing jebok bagi karkhana bernihat ki penmi na kapor sikapor habakadau babun ki karkhana ki lesak Khang Bun Menteri ula banjur ya kejing Donkam bandon kejing terlang Donkam Meghalaya Bor Assam banweng ya kene kejing kajing jebo ka bami kamdei tang na Meghalaya nidon ki jaka ha ki thain kapur ba marjan Bor Assam kumta nimla banong ba kajing jabo ka bami ka tang na Meghalaya laong Bor Sohtun ula banjur ya kajing Donkam jong kajing terlang habdeng ki atli ki sarkar jela banwan ra e ka thong ka basai ban pendunai kajing jebo kumta tat adu bat lemda ka don kajing wadnya lang habdeng ka Meghalaya Bor Assam bat tat adu badon ka thong ban penduna ya kajing jebo te kan long ka ba banweng ya kene kamat jabo hakitan kaput Meghalaya Assam ula penpau
ningkong he kalau ka kejingai ngo yu blai komu nong mikmat pai ba komu MLA trong ka jirang constituency ngai ngo yu blai ngai ngo ya ka ye mei ki bayang ki basam ki jonga bat kerpang ki pai no kersan ki be ki jonga namala da bam dei bangaya yo eka lingkor man kit kumu nong mikmat la ne kum MLA na try ngan poy gan ka position ba honorable chief minister un sim banale ban kin thop lang ha ka cabinet te pan pau ka jing khublai ye barok ki pai ba ka constituency pada ka jing ye ka jing shania kila ya ka jing kersan kila punjab bat kunjuru penpau ke jing songu ye honorable chief minister ya ka jing shania ka jung honorable chief minister bat ya ka hak bal penrung lang ya nga ka we ne ki ha we ban dan lang ka thop jung ha ka sarkar ka cabinet bat nagaliang ki pa ka district hi brok we i penpau ki jing khublai nomor ba ka district ribohi kiladon ki jing angnut laslam ba alam ta banyo ya ka cabinet bot lan ka banyo banrung ka sarkar kumu minister tingi penpa ka jing khublai ya honorable chief minister hebe bakanika jing penrung ka jong i ya we naki MLA na ka Ribol district bade yang banya don lang ka cabinet hadin ba nagaliang honorable chief minister la penrung lai ka cabinet tega ka jing i ka junga he kalong ba ngadai u representative na ka rural constituency tengah kwa ruba kumbang bat ka tanat sen adi tengah kwa ba ka connection bat ki grassroots ki rural villages kalong ba jan bat ka administration kamtam bat ka block office katahi di kathong ka bakmat maling ba ka connection lene kata ka service ka ba ngilaban pej benia ngilaban ai yeki pai ba kanong ka ba kaban pen mentoy bat ki pai ba he no kondong kamtam Kyndon Aiñ ki Sohtun bat kathong hi jong ka sarkar hi ka dei kumtai ru na do honorable chief minister ki ka connection lene kata ka administration kebajan bat ki pajba ki ka thong matam te nagaliang update tang nagaliang jonga kumu MLA ba mikmat na ka jirang constituency kepada po ka Riboy district Brokawai ringkat bat ki MLA hi na ka Riboy district ni penpaw ki jing Sohtun bat ka jing songo e honorable chief minister ba nagaliang jong honorable chief minister la jet uwe ki no mikmat na ka district ka jungi na Riboy district ban dan lang ka cabinet te kalong kai ka ba pentkemen tang nam ta ki pajba jong ka constituency ka jungi ngai ka district hi Brockway mara borbor hi ki pajba ki badan akan no ko constituency akan no district ki don hi ka jing angnut ki don hi ka ta ka jing khmi lenti ba minister ka sorkar kan lawan wara shibun kijing kala nang ta kijing not kam chang ki pai ba ki badon haka no constituency. With regards to pollution, I've been raising this issue from time to time, and then as of now, what we have seen, that many factories have been closed down. So the pollution that comes out, it's not only from our Meghalaya state. So we have joint borders, the Assam and Meghalaya. So we cannot say that pollution that comes out, it is from Meghalaya only. So until and unless a joint survey or a the joint survey of the Meghalaya and Assam, and then comes out with the aims and objectives to reduce the pollution, then only it will be difficult if we cannot jointly take this issue very seriously.
Some official visits were conducted. So what is the outcome of that?
See, official visits from time to time, and they are not, the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board, they are not taking rest. They are taking stern action also. If they find out that any of the factories that emit more pollution, that that pollute the area, so action have been taken. Now with the second phase of talk, so we have a discussion also with the in charge, the chairman of the regional committee, that if we can speed up with this second phase, so that it will clear the doubts of every citizens who are residing in the borders, because people who are residing in the borders, and then they want to live in a peaceful and a peaceful way, so that there will be no disturbance from any side.
MeghalayaPost.news.